So welcome to NUSD Secondary Showcase. Tonight event, we have all our high schools and some of our middle schools here to present. This is meant for our incoming parents who are looking to see where they're going to send their students in the next few years. This gives them a great opportunity to look at all the wonderful programs that Natomas Unified School District, our schools have to offer.
I'm the engineering teacher at Natomas High School, and we're here with 3 of my students. We're showing off some of the things we do in our classroom. We have a 3D printer, we have a robot tank, and they have a solar-powered car, and they're playing with it here in the background.
This night is great. It's a great opportunity for me to find out more information about the schools. You know, the different schools. We're new to this district, so we don't really know different opportunities, the different options that we have here for my daughter, because she wants to study medicine, and I want to make sure that she's in the correct pathway to start.
There's a school that has medical, and it has like stuff that like for picture taking, and then digital.
Yeah. I really love being in broadcast media because I've learned so much about technology in the past 2 years, and I've learned so much about myself, and I've developed so many new communication skills, and I recently learned about the college credit that we're going to be earning, so that's going to help cover my A through G requirements, and that's going to really help my general education for when I graduate.
The goal of the event is to ensure that our parents are well informed of all the programs our secondary schools have to offer our NUSD families.